ರೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Hello there guys, welcome back to another video. Like you can see, on my way to the Hassan highway, and this time I have two fellow riders. One Dr. Shekhar on his GSXS 750 and a friend of his on the Tiger. Hope it's going to be a good ride. Lot of bikers, like you can see. And wishing you and your family a happy new year. Hope 2021 is going to be a good year. Let's see. Let's kickstart with a super ride today. Going for a breakfast right now. So let's see. Let's enjoy the ride and have some fun. Dr. Shekhar is leading us today, I guess. He knows the road better because he's been a frequent traveler on this road. Keeps traveling every Sundays, so he knows the roads better. And he keeps saying there are a lot of dogs on the road. You need to be really careful. Let him take the lead and we'll follow. Finally guys, getting to ride with Dr. Shekhar and a couple of his friends. Met another friend of mine too, but he was with a different gang altogether. So hopefully we'll be meeting him at Dhruvatara if he's there. So perfect weather to ride. The weather is just too good, not too sunny. The early morning, the smell, the climate, the greenery, that's what makes Bangalore such a beautiful city. So guys, I'm sure you would have noticed something new on my bike. Guess what? I got a new steering damper from Max Racing, as you can see here. So I was telling in my last video that there's a lot of wobble after you hit 200 kilometers per hour. So that's when I decided to get a steering damper, and today is going to be the day that I'm going to try how good the steering damper is. And let me see how well it fares, and if there's any wobbling that happens in the steering, I'll get a clear-cut idea. So Dr. Shekhar has done a video in terms of how you can fix this and what the benefits are. Please go and check out the video. I will definitely leave a link below for his YouTube channel. You can go and check out a couple of videos that he's made. And here we are entering the Nelmangla toll. So this is where the highway starts. this is how jackasses ride here. I love it. I was very much excited to ride in this road. The first and the second time, you guys know, I was doing really, I was riding really fast. But now the traffic is so much that I just don't want to cross more than 100. Safety is priority. Just got done with breakfast. I hope you can see Shark Food Court. Seems to be a good place. Food was good, damn cheap as well. If you guys are going on Hassan Highway, I would highly recommend you to stop by to try the food at Shark Food Court. And this is Dr. Shaker's bike. Hope you can see the Arrow exhaust. Rev ಮಾಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. So that's the sound of the Arrow Pro Race. If you guys don't know, much better than the SC Project or the Yoshimura. This seems to be a better option. So we all are done with breakfast now, heading back home. Just a small ride. Let's see how quick this ride is gonna be. So guys, the handle seems to be a little stable. I did not find any wobble or anything of that sort. But since the tires are a little cold, I could see that the tires were not sticking to the tarmac. But that's okay. So if I keep riding about another 2-3 kilometers, it should stick onto the ground. I missed a turn there, so let's go and catch Dr. Shaker and his friend. So you can see the Harleys there. guys, just to give you a little idea about the Max Racing steering damper, guys, this is pocket friendly, not too expensive, and they make steering dampers for almost every bike. I've seen this on the GSXS 750 to 1000, even the BMW S1000 RR. Unfortunately, I could not find anything for the Kawasaki Z800 or the Z900, and I've seen it even on an R6 GSXR 600 750. So if you guys can go on to Facebook and type Max Racing, there is a contact number that you can get in touch with, and he'll be able to ship it to you without any issues. Me and Dr. Shekhar, both of them have bought these steering dampers, and I feel that for Indian roads it is a must, because the wind blast is so high that you will have difficulties on high speeds, and this bike can easily do more than 200 220, but due to the wobble and wind blast, a lot of people get scared to do high speeds on this bike. But definitely this bike is more than capable to do a minimum of 240 and above. So guys, I would strongly recommend you guys to use some high octane petrol, which helps in your engine knock basically is reduced and the efficiency is better. Use normal fuel or power when you don't have the right kind of source, but please use high octane fuels on your super bikes. That's what is going to help your super bike to run smoothly, stop any kind of engine knocking, and your spark plugs definitely is going to give you more life than what is mentioned, and obviously your engine life is also going to be much better. If you don't know where you get high octane fuel, there is an Indian Oil, I'm assuming, yes, Indian Oil in Murgesh Palya, Old Airport Road. I will definitely leave a link in the description below, or a map maybe, so you can follow that map and get the 99 octane fuel. And just for your information guys, right now the 99 octane fuel is priced at it's priced at 126 rupees per liter. It's gone high, it's definitely gone high in terms of pricing, but it is recommended to be used on super bikes guys. One bucket list done. It's time to say goodbye to our friends. So they take a right here, I go straight. Meet Madana again. So that's it for this vlog guys. Stay safe, stay at home, do wear a mask please, and Happy New Year to you and your family. Bye bye.